Guys, for my next video I need Orbeez, and I decided to order square Orbeez, like this. Just simply because I had never seen such before. Have you? Well, looks like ordinary Orbeez. Do you know that to grow Orbeez, to make it big, you need from 5 to 8 hours? I have seen how this happens many times. Today, I will show you this process just in 1 minute. But as soon as I started filming, I discovered this one. We'll put this little guy to his square friends. Orbeez never become large and square, in this case, immediately. At first it looks like a crystal or a huge molecule. Very beautiful, right? In the end, after 8 hours, I got such a beautiful Orbeez. Very pleasant to play with it. What do you think I'm going to do with it? Any ideas? That little black guy at the end of the video will be dancing. Just saying. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below and take care.